Good evening everyone. So today we are going to learn about the most important thing in the Hindi word making, that is called matra. Okay, so for if like previously we already learned about the vowels and the consonants. From that vowels and consonants also we can make some few words. Okay, but actually in language you are using so many words. So without using the matra, without using the vowels in proper manner, you cannot make each and every word. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the matra. So what is matra? Matra is the basically the sign of vowel. Sign of vowel. Okay, that is called matra. In English, if you are making a word, it is very easy. Like with the vowels and consonants, if you are making a word using both the vowels and consonant, it is very easy. For example, if you wanted to write cat, C-A-T, cat. In this cat, there are three letters. First is consonants C, second is vowel A, and third is consonants T. So easily you can add any vowel in between the word, at start of the word or end of the word. For example, you wanted to make ant, A and T, ant. So in this, the first place is a vowel, second and third is consonant. In cat, the first and third are the consonants and the middle is a vowel. Okay, and if you wanted to write a word tie, T-I-E, tie. Here the first is consonants and last two are vowels. So easily we can make the word using simple vowels and consonants. But in Hindi it is not like that. You cannot make the word easily like that. For example, if you are wanted to write a word pani, pani means water. So you can say that pa, a, na, e. So if you write like this way, pa, a, pa, na, e, ni, like this, then it is wrong. It is not correct. You cannot write pani like this, pa, a, na, e. You cannot write like this. Why? Actually, in Hindi, the vowels, if you applied in between the word, for example, here a is in the middle, e is at the end. These vowels both are vowels. So if in Hindi, if you are applying the vowel in between the word or at the end of the word, okay, for example, a is in the middle and at the end it is e is at the end. So when vowels are present at the middle or at the end, you cannot apply the vowel like as it is. You should apply the matra or sign of the vowel. Okay, so for example, the correct word is pani is like pa, a, na, e. So you can see for a you are using only this, and for e you are using only this sign. These two signs are what? These are the matra. This and these two signs are what? They are matra. So matra is basically the sign that are used in the place of vowels. Matra are what? These are the signs that are used in the place of vowels, and they are only used when the vowels are present in between the word or at the end of the word. If the vowel are present at the start of the word, for example, if you want to write aurat, it is very easy to write aurat. How to write aurat? Au, ra, ta, aurat. So here au is the vowel and it is present at the start of the word. So you will write the or as it is. It is correct. Why? You are not using the sign because the au is present at the start. So understood? If the vowels are present at the start of the word, if vowels are present at the start of the word, it is used in its original or native form. Okay, but if vowels are present at the middle or in between or at the end of the word, it is used as a sign, and that sign is called matra. Understood? So now I will tell you how this all matra look like. Okay? Now see, you know all the vowels. Okay? What are the vowels we have? A, E, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ang, and Aha. So these are all the vowels. Now every vowel have some sign. The A vowel, there is no sign. That is matra. A vowel, there is no sign. For A, the sign is like a standing line. For E, the sign is like this. For E, the sign is like this. For U, the sign is like this. For U, the sign is like bottom this. For Ri, the sign is like this. For A, the sign is this. For I, the sign is this. For O, the sign is this. For Au, the sign is this. For Ang, the sign is this. And for A, the sign is this. Now we are going to learn that how we can use the sign. Actually, the signs are used with the consonants. For example, we are using with the K. The consonant is like K. So K plus A. Understood? K plus A. But A doesn't have any sign, so we write the K is as it is. K. Now K plus A. This A. Then it should be write like K and this sign. Ka. Okay, so it's K plus A like Ka. Now K plus E, write K plus E. So for E, what sign is there? This sign. So K plus E is equal to ki. The K, and you should not write this E, we should put the sign of this ki. So ki. Okay, now K plus E. Okay, so you should write K and then put the sign of E. Sign of E is after, like this. Okay, now K plus U. Sign of U is like at the bottom, you should make like this. So write K and U. Ku. Okay, now K plus U. So should write like K plus U. Ku. So you should make this sign at the bottom. Now K plus Ri. So for re, the sign is like this, a small curve at the bottom. So write ka and at the bottom make a small curve. Kri, that is called ka plus re, kri. Now ka plus a. How to write ka plus a? K. Write ka and make sign of a. This K. Okay. Now ka plus I. So sign of I is like this too. So write ka plus I. Kai. Okay. Now ka plus O. Sign of O is like this. One is standing line and this. So ka plus O is ko. Ko. Okay. Now ka plus au. Au. The sign of au is this. So write ka and put this sign, au sign. So it will be cow. Okay. Now ka plus ang. Ka plus ang. So ang sign is very easy, only at the dot at the top. So write ka and put at the dot. It is called kang. So you should not write full ang, only the sign of ang, that is kang. Okay. Now ka plus aha. What is the sign of aha? Oh, sorry. Sign of aha is only 2 dot at the after the letter. So ka plus aha is equal to kaha. Okay. So we are going to read it again. Okay. So that it will be clear for you. Ka plus a. Ka only. There is no change because a doesn't have any sign. Ka plus a. Ka. Ka plus e. Ki. Ka plus e. Ka plus u. Ku. Ka plus u. Ku. Then ka plus ri. Kri. Ka plus a. K. Ka plus I. Kai. Ka plus o. Ko. Ka plus au. Kau. Ka plus ang. Kang. And ka plus aha. Kaha. Now how many are there? You can count it. 1, 2, 3. So there are total of 13. Because 13 vowels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But out of this 13, a doesn't have any sign. So how many are total now? 12. So in 12, in Hindi, 12 is called barah. So this all, that ka, ka, ki, ku, all are called barah khadi. What you call? Barah khadi. Okay. So you'll start from ka to kah. So this barah khadi we can make for all the consonants. For just like is ka, ka, ki. Similarly, you can make like is ga, ga, gi, ki. So it is, if the consonant is ga, then first letter is ka plus a is ga only. Then what will come? Ga. Ga, a, ga. Then ga, e, ki. Then ga, e, ki. After that ga, u, gu. Ga, u is gu. Then ga, u, gu. Then ga, ri, gri. Then ga, a, ge. Then ga, I, gai. Then ga, o, go. Then ga, au, go. After that ga, ang, gang. Then ga, aha, gah. So today what you learned? We learned about all the barah khadi, means when with the vowels and consonants, how can you can make this new letters. Okay, so matra are what? Matra are the signs of the vowels, and whenever these vowels are present in between the word or at the end of the word, that time we cannot use the vowel as it is. Okay, what you have to use? You have to use the sign of the vowel. Okay, so and if these vowels are present at the start of the word, you use it as it is. Okay, so in this class we learn about the barah, khadi and matra, and next class we are going to learn how to make the words with this matra. So all the words in this, all the Hindi word in this universe can be made using the vowels, consonants and the matra. So for making any word in this universe, you need only three things. What are the things you needed? You needed swar, that is vowel, plus consonants means vyanjan, plus matra. Matra means sign of the vowels. So using these three things means vowel, consonants and sign of the vowel. Using these three things, you can make any word in Hindi that is present in this universe. Word in Hindi. Okay, so in the next class, we are going to learn how the words can be used, by using all the three things. Okay, so everyone keep practicing, keep learning, and all the best. Bye bye.